Hello, hello! Welcome back to Red Turd Art. We're going to show you a really simple rock painting craft today. Paint some rocks that you found whilst out and about and use them as garden plant markers, or you can use them in a toy kitchen. So if you've got a sibling who likes to play with vegetables or with a toy kitchen or a mud kitchen, that'd be great. Or you can use them, if you make another set, you can use them as games like tic-tac-toe, so you know where you have to get 3 in a row first. I can link a game version down below and you can see how that's played, but it's a really fun way to decorate stones for spring and for summer. So come on, let's take a look and see how they're made. Making our stone fruit is really easy. What you'll need is some rocks that you've collected out in nature, different shapes, different sizes, some brushes, some paints. I'm using some gloss enamels. They've got a nice finish, but you can also use something like acrylic paints. So this one's called System 3, but any paints you really have at home. Depending, if you want to use them outdoors, you will need to have a waterproof varnish, but these gloss paints work really well for outside. I'm also going to use one of these paint pens, but again, if you don't have a paint pen, don't worry about it. You can use a Sharpie or you can use some black paint and use something like a toothpick to add details, but because I do have it, it is really easy to use, so I will. So the first thing you need to do is get a little bit of paint and start painting your carrot. Let's see how much is left in this tube. Hopefully enough. You really don't need a lot of paint, and you'll also need a little bit of green. And I'm going to start by just simply adding a carrot. So I use my long, thin rocks for the carrots, and I use like round ones for some tomatoes. You know, just see what shapes you can find. Go for a nice walk, whether you're at the beach or in the woods. You know, you should be able, messed up my colours there. Don't do what I do, keep your colours separate. There we go. Slightly unripe carrot, got a hint of green. So we're using a new fresh paintbrush. Oh, this one's a bit, oh, should be alright, let's see, yeah. And just add your little green stalks. So I'm going to put the fat end at this end, so you can work with your brush. I always find that where you start off is fatter, and then when you brush it goes thinner. And then you just let it dry, and we'll come back to the next bit once it's been dried. There we go. So our paint has already dried. Now all I'm going to do with my black pen is give it some little outlines. You don't have to go all the way around, just where you think it adds a little bit of detail. So with the carrots I will go around, but with the green bit at the top, I've left it just some lines. And then add some little kind of carroty lines on either side. One carrot finished, and again, it doesn't matter if you're not super neat. I think it looks quite nice when you have some of the paint overlapping. There we go. That's how easy it is to do your own rock vegetables. Yeah, I'd like you to continue watching the video and you can see some nice speed versions of the other vegetables, but really the craft is about these guys, the carrots and the aubergine. you see how simple it is to paint them and that you feel that you're inspired to have a little go at painting your own, whether you're going to use them as plant markers or if you're going to use them as a little toy kitchen or even a game. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and above all, keep watching, keep making. I'd love to see you again soon. Take care. Bye.